Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Welcome. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you for coming to my not so little goofy space. Welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, I want to show you something. I got a new phone. I bought a new phone and I am so happy because I get to shoot. I've been wanting to shoot for YouTube and my former phone kept saying more phone and I had deleted, actually empty. I'll put the unboxing like in this video. I had deleted like a lot of things and it kept on still saying, I'm like, you know what, let me just buy this phone because the economy here in Nigeria is, but we move. I needed the phone. Today I have a lot of things to do. And I don't know where I'm going to start from, but I am going to start and finish. I want to make sure I finish today. I need to, I'm not sure if I'm going to take out this hair. I'm tired. I don't know. Braids has not, I was craving the braids, but now I think I'm really like just over it. Then I'm not sure if I'm going to take it out today. I also need to clean the kitchen and I need to arrange my clothes. Yeah, the dry cleaner for my clothes. The last time I posted on YouTube, no, the first time I posted on YouTube. So the first time I posted on YouTube, I was in my girlfriend era. But now, guys, this gorgeous girl is getting married. Yeah, so I'm getting married and I feel very excited to be marrying my partner because it's such a sweet soul. So yeah, I'm getting married. I'm really so happy I have a new phone. Now I can rest, like I can drink water and drop cup, to be very honest. I had an accident and that also has not allowed me to shoot because I've been trying to take it one step at a time. But now that my phone, like, it just came at the right time and I feel better. So I have my new phone, I'm getting better. So there is 2 more vlogs from me to you guys. I also moved to a new apartment and the journey has been pretty slow. I'm not complaining, I like it. I have another YouTube channel, I'm going to leave the name, where I'll be posting everything like home content and all of those things. Not like I'm not going to post here, I'm going to post here, but it's going to be limited. So I can't like do on that and come here to do it. And I'm not ready for stress, so you guys can like watch here. I'm going to put the name down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into today's vlog.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. Haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep. She left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go? What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no war. Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like carpet.
I asked for sliced bread and it's agege bread or full of the beans, so beans and bread.
Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to